All right, Caps Ninja, Sensei Lance back here again with Sensei Alejandro. And today, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be working on a little bit of defense and countering. Now, this is a great video for anti-bullying. I think that this is one of the best defenses when it comes to dealing with somebody that's trying to hit you with one of those big haymakers, one of those big wild punches, trying to knock your block off. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to work on what they call in boxing answering the phone. Okay, now when you answer the phone, this is how this works. If I'm standing here in my stance like so, what I'm going to do is I am going to take my hand, it's going to go to the back of my head. My forearm is going to trace my face. Okay, I don't want it out here, and I'm not doing this. I got it right here against my face to absorb the impact. Okay, and of course, usually when I do this, I turn my hips just a little bit, just in case if the punch is straight, boom, it'll still hit my arm. Okay, so this is called answering the phone, and this is a great drill to practice in the mirror. From here, I go here, boom, boom, and of course, you can do it on the other side too, boom. Boom. And this is great for covering up, especially if you've been sneak attacked and you're not really in your stance ready yet to bob and weave and move around and do our head movement that we like so much. From here, you can just bang, bang until you figure out what's going on. So what we're going to do is we are going to work on answering the phone and, of course, using the focus mitts to practice that. And remember, if you practice this, practice with a responsible person. Okay, somebody that's going to help you train, somebody that's not going to be silly and try to smack you with the mitt really hard and hurt you, okay? Make sure to do this with a responsible person. We do not want to get hurt doing this. Okay, so from here, I got my hands up. Okay, I realize something's happening. Now, Sensei is going to use the mitt to reenact this punch, okay? And of course, we're going to start slow. You always have to start slow. As I say all the time, you have to be able to do it slow before you can do it fast. Okay, so from here, what he's going to do is he's just going to swing it from my head, whoosh, and I'm going to answer the phone. And of course, it didn't hit my body, it didn't hit my head, it didn't hit anything. It hit all of my arm. So if he does it again, whoosh, good, whoosh, whoosh. Now, after we practice that a few times, we can speed up just a little bit. Go, hey, just like that. Now, after somebody swings like that, I don't want to just stand there. I want to react. So we're going to throw one of our favorite punches. We've done it 100 times on this channel. We are going to start with a right cross. Okay, that's what we're going to start with. Okay, and notice that this punch goes really well with this shield because we're here nice and slow. So it's like when I shield, boom. See how I've kind of cocked my hips? That way when I push off this back foot down here and I turn my hips, whoosh, I get so much power in that right hand. So much power in that straight cross that's coming. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off, we're going to practice this just a little slow. Okay, so from here, he throws it, whoosh, 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 whoosh. Now, we've talked about in the past, the focus mitts. The focus mitts are for focus and precision. You notice I'm not trying to rip Sensei's arm off with the hardest punch in the world. I'm just trying to pop. I'm just trying to hit, show him Sensei, I'm just trying to hit that dot in the middle. That's it, okay? And that can signify the person's nose, their chin, teeth, okay? Vital areas that's gonna cause distraction so you can either continue with a counter technique that's gonna finish the situation or run, make your getaway, okay? Sometimes you got to, y'all. If you're fighting, if you get in a self-defense situation with 2 or 3 people that are a lot bigger than you, it's not smart to stand there and try to fight all of them. You've got to make a getaway. Okay, so from here, one more time, just a little faster. We're going to practice the shield right cross. So it's here. Now, once you get that down, one of our favorite combos, cross hook. So now, we're just going to show you, for some of you that have been practicing a little bit and want to kind of take your training to the next level, we're going to add that left hook to it, or that lead hook, okay? So remember, guys, start off in steps. Start just practicing the shield. Start just practicing the shield, all right? And then, after you do the shield, boom, add the right cross. And then after that, we're going to add the left hook. So from here, it's going to be shield, cross, hook. So here we go. And notice, my right hand cocks my hips and sets up that power left hook. Okay, remember, all of our power comes in our legs. I know you can't really see our legs right now because I wanted you focused up here. If you want to see the leg movement, go back to other videos and check those out. But we're here, from here, nice and slow. I'm gonna do the shield, cross, hook. This is a great combo. We're here, leg, hey, 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 leg, hey, hey. All right, y'all, that is a great self-defense tool. Shield, cross, hook. Remember, guys, it's all in the hips. Remember, practice that at home. Have a good day, y'all.